How to edit an X post. To edit an X post, in today's video, we will be guiding you through the process. So for that, log into your X account, open up your X profile on your screen. You may look out for your profile in the top left once you are logged in from the home interface. And from here, go ahead and tap on profile, and it will lead you to your profile with all of your posts. Now, if you'd like to edit a post, what you can do is basically go and find the post. And once you find the post, you can tap on the three dot menu icon associated with the post. And once you tap on it, you will be finding option to edit it. Let me just show you with any other post. This one right here. So you can tap on it, and when you tap on it, you will be given an option to edit. From the drop down menu, select the edit post option. After you do so, you can just go ahead and correct any necessary typos, update your information, or add or remove media in the post composer. And the key consideration is that you must be a premium subscriber to edit posts after they have been posted. So right now I do not have that edit post option, as you can see, but you get that option once you update yourself to the premium version of X. So you can just go ahead and subscribe to their plan, and they will give you option to edit post as well. And you must edit the post from the same device or app where you have originally sent the post. In that way you can edit post, and that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to edit your post on your X, you may follow up this process in order to do so. So I hope this information was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.